HES has a 50-year history as a leading UK-based supplier of hydraulic, pneumatic and electric tools. HES is proud to be authorised distributors for market-leading brands of industrial tools required by a wide variety of industries throughout the UK. Our product offering ranges from high-force hydraulic tools, Ingersoll Rand and Chicago pneumatic air tools, Norbar torque control equipment, equalizer flange maintenance tools, Borky heavy-duty skates and a variety of other hydraulic, pneumatic and electric tools. Our 15,000 square foot facility maintains an extensive stock of our principal brand's products and spare parts. Close proximity to the high-force head office and manufacturing facility guarantees unrivaled product and technical support to HES and our valued customers. With 50 years of industrial tools experience, our service-first philosophy enables us to offer customers unrivaled levels of expertise related to technical sales, product user training and service and repair. We are an authorised repair centre for all the products we offer. Our UK-based service centres are operated using the latest state-of-the-art repair and testing equipment, as well as experienced, highly skilled technicians. We offer a fast, reliable and guaranteed tool repair service for all leading brands of hydraulic, pneumatic and electric tools. Our tool hire service offers customers an economical alternative to capital-intensive tool purchase, whether it be on a short or long-term basis. Tool hire offers customers the opportunity to experience using our products prior to purchase. Our hire fleet is also regularly utilised for on-site tool demonstrations. Our training centre provides both theoretical and practical training, offering standard and bespoke courses on the safe and correct use of all our brands, including service and repair. Training courses can also be delivered at customers' sites. HES offers a wide variety of additional services, including calibration, bolting, lifting and jacking, hand-arm vibration certification, and hydraulic, pneumatic and electric tool testing, utilising our fleet of dedicated on-site test vehicles. With 50 years of experience, HES Sales Limited is a company that can be trusted with all of your requirements for hydraulic, pneumatic and electric tools, and all associated after-sales services.